How to create Bluesky account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Basically, first things first, you want to go ahead and head over to your mobile devices, or in my case, it's going to be from the Windows computer. And right after that, you want to head over to the browser that you have installed to your device. From there, you can just go ahead and search for Bluesky and this window will appear. Now basically you can open up the official website right here, which is bsky.app. It will then take you to their official website, and from here you can then go ahead and click on the create account button. From here it will basically go ahead and ask you some information. You have your email address, your password, and your birth date. Right after that, it will then go ahead and ask you for your desired username. In my case, I'll just go ahead and put a random username right here. Click on next. And from here, it will then go ahead and take us to this page where we have to complete the CAPTCHA. Now, right after that, it will then go ahead and ask us to give our profile a face. I'll just go ahead and create an avatar instead. Click on continue. And from here, you have your interest. Once again, click on continue, click on let's go, and there you go, you have successfully created a Bluesky account. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, and as always, thank you.